In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find and share your Calendly meeting link so scheduling becomes effortless. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. First, open the Calendly homepage and log into your account. Once inside, you'll land on your personal dashboard, which gives you a full view of your upcoming and past meetings. This is your command center for scheduling. Now, look for your scheduled events. Next to each event, you'll see a copy link button. This is the key. Simply click it and your unique meeting link is instantly copied to your clipboard. Fast, simple, and no extra steps required. With your link copied, you can now share it anywhere. Drop it in an email, send it through chat, text it, or even post it in a professional workspace. This makes it incredibly easy for others to book time with you without the usual back and forth. And that's it. You've just learned how to find and share your Calendly link in seconds. Use it to stay organized, save time, and keep your meetings running smoothly. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy 2025 tech guides.